Why not swapping some of your internet bandwidth which you're not using for crypto coins? UpRock, they're doing that and they're in beta phase, and is a very good opportunity if you want to try their platform. Let's talk about it. Guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, consider subscribing if you like this type of content in which I'm trying all sorts of different applications on phones, computers, for earning some crypto coins on the side or different other currencies. I'm not a financial advisor, and all these are just my experiences on the things that I'm trying, on the things that I'm trading, or the things that I'm buying or selling. If you're interested in doing those, make sure you understand the risks and don't sue me, bro. Today I want to talk about UpRock. UpRock is a very interesting app, and you know that on my channel we talk about lots of different apps similar with this one. It works on Android, currently working on iOS, but on the OS X side just for MacBooks, and they're going to release an iOS platform very soon. I've downloaded the Mac OS. I'll show you some pictures and some little videos as we talk about it. It works well. It's pretty much on the side, you using the platform, they're going to use some of your bandwidth, some of your internet bandwidth without you noticing, and in exchange for that, for transmitting data, you will be rewarded UPT, which is the cryptocurrency within the application. We'll go through some of the questions you will probably have. What is UpRock AI Earnings? And I'm going to probably read you some of the things that they're sharing on their website. You'll find links in the description. You'll find links in the comments. In case you've tried already the app, let me know how it works, and I'll be more than happy to try to answer your questions and then find ways of benefiting of this app together. So the UpRock AI Earnings program is a revolutionary platform where users can earn UpRock tokens by sharing their unused internet bandwidth and contributing to the UpRock network. By installing and running the UpRock AI Earnings app, users play a vital role in building a centralized web data infrastructure for AI and are rewarded for their contributions. They're talking about what their tokens is. As I said, is UPT, are digital assets built on the Solana blockchain. They serve as the native currency within the UpRock ecosystem. How can you get or sell my earned tokens? Which will be probably one of the most important questions for some of the users which are interested of earning something on the side. During the beta period, which is now, the tokens earned by the UpRock AI Earning app are temporarily locked. However, once the full version of the browser proxy app is complete and operational, we will unlock those tokens, making them available for sale. To ensure liquidity and smooth token transaction, we will establish a dedicated liquidity pool, and it's obviously up to you to stay tuned for those news. Find my X account, for sure I will share those news with you as soon as they release them. How does UpRock ensure personal browser privacy? Which is another very important question to ask and get some answers. UpRock is committed to protecting your personal browser privacy. Guys, all the people will say that, and they're kind of forced to say that. Be very cautious with what data you share, how you share it, and in case you freak out by using some of these apps, make sure you understand how they work, make sure you understand the risks involved. But if they do what they say they do, then for sure you are safe. Our app operates as a standalone proxy, meaning it does not gather your personal browser history or collect any personal data from miners. When you use the UpRock app, you are compensated for sharing your internet connection to gather publicly available web data such as product prices, flight details, and online advertisements. It's important to note that UpRock does not share your users' IP addresses or internet connections with any AI clients or external parties. We have to believe them, right? All data collection and processing activities are conducted solely by UpRock. Our mission is to be the leading web data platform for AI era, empowering creators, brands, and businesses while respecting users' privacy. Is UpRock AI Earnings safe? Let's see what they say about that. Yes, UpRock AI Earnings is designed with safety and security in mind. We prioritize the protection of users' privacy and ensure that all data collection and processing activities are carried out securely. What kind of data companies are interested in? For sure, probably you know that in case you've been interested about sharing your bandwidth with different other companies. They're mainly interested in a wide range of data for various purposes. This includes market research, competitive analysis, customer insights, trend analysis, and more. They may seek data on product prices, online advertisement, website content, social media activity, user behavior, and demographic information. The specific data of interest depends on the community's industry, goals, and target audiences. UpRock enables companies to access publicly available web data relevant to their business needs through AI empowered. Very interesting. Then they're talking about how the rates are calculated, how much you can actually earn, and what things you can actually do to compensate or maximize your earning. To maximize your earnings through the app, they want you to consider the following: optimize your internet connection, ensure you have a stable and reliable internet connection, mining on multiple devices, which is allowed, which is a way for you to earn more in case you're interested in this app. So basically you can install and run the UpRock app on multiple devices such as desktops, laptops, or mobile devices by leveraging the computing power and internet connections. They're not stopping you from doing that and logging on multiple devices with your account. Keep an app running, so make sure in case you leave your computer home, you're going somewhere, maybe it's a good thing for you to leave it up and running with UpRock in the background. Participate in referral programs. Obviously you can share this as I'm actually doing with you, and obviously stay updated for what other things they are going to share in future. Guys, we're in beta mode. You are sharing some of your internet bandwidth, mainly the one which you're not using. So in case you, for example, have 100 mega per second, and the way you are using your browsers, the internet, phones, and everything, it's only consuming 70 mega per second, then those 30 mega per second is to be shared with a company like UpRock, which will probably use that bandwidth for collecting different, mainly from my point of view, advertising data, and study behaviors on what we are actually interested and how we actually want and what we actually want. It's very important for you to be vigilant on the things that you do and how you do it. UpRock for me is testing, it's working. I've tried different other applications similar with it, Honeygain or different others, which you'll probably find in the description as well. And I'm not scared of sharing any data, to be honest, even if I have to share browsing data. For the bits that I'm browsing, for the bits I'm interested, I don't really mind because I ain't got nothing to hide. And if I'm interested in buy watches or rings or different other things, I'll rather have people putting those things in front of me, or the bits that I'm interested in, instead of me trying to search and search and search. Maybe some of these bits will actually work in my favor in case I'm a lazy shopping person and I'd rather shop a camera, which will be easier for me to see when people are presenting it to me in a way that they already know how I like it. It's very important to understand the risks, read all the questions and answers on their website, and let me know if you're keen on trying this app and earn some crypto coins, which we will probably be able to sell or trade in future when they're going to release the full application. I'm keen on keep on trying using it, learn about it, see how it works, see if it's going to affect the way I'm surfing the internet, if it's going to affect the way I watch YouTube or Netflix or different other things that I'm doing, playing, whatever, and see if this app is interfering with those and actually the share of the bandwidth is in their favor or in my favor. I'm going to post more updates, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and talk about it in different other episodes. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to look after yourselves and your families. Stay safe.